Spicy. Hey everybody, we're back with video number 4. I think it's 4, yeah. Welcome to Cooking with Maddie. I'm Maddie. I work for the Rhode Island Division of Fish and Wildlife in our Hunter Education Office, and I like to show you guys what I do with wild game that I harvest. And today we will be making the viral blanket dumplings, which I'm pretty excited about. I think I'm a little late to the party with those, but I've been wanting to try them for a while. I saw them all over social media and they look great, and I love dumplings. So we're going to be making those today with wild turkey, ground up wild turkey breast meat. So let's get into it. You know what I have to say. None of the ingredients I'm using today are sponsored or anything by any means. You can use any make, model, brand, anything I'm using today in this video. Today actually is one of those, the first day of the heat advisory. So it's gonna be like a lot of degrees outside today, super hot. So that's why I'm inside cooking in the heat. I have AC, so don't worry about me too much. So let me get my stuff out of the way. It's hot. So first we're gonna need a bowl, and we're going to need our ground up turkey. This is from this year's turkey that we got. I just took a bunch of the breast meat that I had frozen, ran it through the KitchenAid like little meat grinder once. I didn't add any fat into it, so it's just turkey meat. So this is approximately 1 pound, I think. I don't think I measured it, really. I forgot how to do this. And this will be our dumpling filling. I think I want to try to use that veggie chopper that I got last time for the green onions. Or do we think that's crazy? Actually, no, I think that's crazy. So we'll just regularly chop. I cannot speak today. Chop these normal. Okay. So we got all our green onions. So it says we just add like 4 green onions into the bowl. But green onions and ground turkey into the bowl. And now we need some soy sauce. That means measure with your heart. And this will act as our salt because soy sauce is very salty. And this is not the low sodium soy sauce. Hey, if anyone wants to teach me how to speak, I will be taking applications. 1.5 tablespoons of grated ginger. I do not have grated ginger, so I'm going to use ginger paste that I found. I would assume it's kind of the same thing. So 1.5 tablespoons. It's probably fine. I don't want dirty dishes. Sorry. All right. So it says we need 1 clove of minced garlic. I have a good old garlic. Is that offensive? I don't know. Is it offensive to garlic? 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. What else? Black pepper. Some black. Then we're gonna mix it up. We're gonna add some vegetable oil to a non-stick skillet on medium-high heat. Heat that up. I found some toasted sesame seed oil I'm going to probably put in here just a little bit because it smells like it should go in a dumpling. And I read some recipes where it does. So now we're gonna take our meat filling, roll it into little balls and put it on a plate. Now we have our little dumpling filling balls. So we're gonna cover those with dumpling wrappers. You can make your own dumpling wrappers, you know me. I didn't do that. I found some online that I ordered and they looked really good. So I have a lot. Just cover it like this and make sure we press the sides like a little blanket. Cover it up, tuck it in. I did want to get a little deep for a second, a little serious. I just want to say, if you are out there hunting and you are lucky enough to harvest any animal, I just want you to take a moment and thank that animal for its life. I always do. It could be a short moment. Sit with the animal for a minute. Thank it for its life. It lived a great life, and now you get to cook it and eat it, and I just think that's important, and everyone should be thanking their harvest. Respect it. Respect. These are so cute. Covered up our blanket dumplings, and now we are going to sit these in our oil, pour water, and then let them steam for a little, heat up, do their thing. Okay, we have our completed dumplings on a plate, so it's time to garnish. First, we're going to use, a lot of recipes says use a chili crunch, any sort of pretty chili. So of course, we're going to go in with more green onions that I saved. And I have some sesame seeds in my spice cabinet. I thought those would go very well on this dish. Absolutely gorgeous. I gotta show you guys this in the light. You see? Wow. Just wow. Now I think it's only right that we have to try things now on camera. I think I could have let these crisp up a bit, but I was a little nervous. This is my first time doing it. Let me get some green onion on there. Spicy. Wow. That's good. This stuff's spicy, I will say. It's good. Yep. I would probably, if I was going to do something different, not as much meat and maybe more, like, maybe double up on the dumpling wrapper. But other than that, phenomenal. Flavor's great. Wow. Again, we did it. We completed another recipe. Thank you for watching. And if you would like to see more Cooking with Maddie, just let me know. Thanks.